Good morning, children. Today we begin a new chapter, that is our universe. So we'll be doing the reading session only today, and I will be putting up the videos and the lesson in WhatsApp. Okay, please look at the videos which I put up. It's very interesting, and you will learn better if you look at the videos. Okay, today is the reading session, so please take out your textbooks and follow what I am reading. Okay, and if you don't understand, you can look up the videos which I will be sending you in WhatsApp. Over there it will be shown clearly, and I hope you will understand. Okay, if you don't, you can ask me any questions, okay, later. Okay, our universe, sun and stars. The tiny lights that twinkle at night are of stars. They are balls of hot gases that have their own heat and light. Stars are of different sizes. They shine all the time. During the day, the light from the sun is so bright that we are unable to see the light of the stars. The sun is also a star, as it has its own heat and light, while the other stars appear very small because of the distance from the earth. The sun appears big because it is nearer to the earth. It provides us with heat and light from the gases that burn inside it all the time. Universe. When we look up at the sky, we see the sun, stars, clouds, and the moon. If you look at the sky through a telescope, you will see a huge, vast space. This is our universe. It contains thousands of stars gathered together in large groups or clusters that form a galaxy. There are many galaxies in the universe. Our solar system is located in the galaxy called the Milky Way or the Akash Ganga. It is either called the Milky Way or Akash Ganga in Hindi. It is said that many years ago, a big explosion had taken place and a huge fireball was created. The fireball cooled down gradually and formed minute or small particles, thus creating the universe. This idea is known as the Big Bang Theory. Now, the solar system. Just like us, the sun has a family too. It is called the solar system. It includes the sun, the 8 planets, their moons or satellites, and pieces of rock or dust. Now, satellites. What are satellites? Have you ever wondered what the tiny companions around the planets are? They are called satellites or different moons. They are of different shapes, sizes, and numbers. All the planets in the solar system except Mercury and Venus have their own natural satellites. The Earth has only one satellite, the Moon. The Moon is our nearest neighbor. It has no light of its own. It reflects the light of the sun. Okay. Now, planets. Planets are celestial bodies that revolve or move around the sun in a fixed path called the orbit. The word planet means wanderer. Planets do not have their own light but receive light from the sun. The 8 planets of the solar system are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Mercury is the smallest planet, while Jupiter is the largest planet. Now we are going to read about the planets. We'll start with Mercury. It is the smallest and innermost planet in the solar system. It is very hot. It takes only 88 days to go around the sun. Venus. The orbit of Venus is closest to the Earth. It takes 225 Earth days to orbit around the sun. Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system and is orange in color. We often see it shining in the western sky after sunset. Therefore, it is also known as the evening star. Earth now. The next planet is Earth. It is the 3rd planet from the sun and appears blue in color due to the large amount of water present on it. It takes 365 days to go around the sun, a period known as an Earth year. It is the only planet known to have life on it. It has only one natural satellite, that is the moon. Now we move on to Mars. It is the 2nd smallest planet in the solar system. It is often referred to as the red planet because the reddish iron oxide present on its surface gives it a reddish appearance. It has 2 natural satellites. It takes 687 days to complete one revolution around the sun. Now the next is Jupiter. It is the largest planet in the solar system. It travels through space with a large family of moons, 79 of them altogether. It takes 11.87 Earth years to go around the sun. This gas planet has red, brown and yellow clouds. Saturn. The next planet is Saturn. It is the 2nd biggest planet made up of gases. It has 62 natural satellites. It is surrounded by ice rings made up of billions of pieces of ice and a small amount of rocky debris and dust. Uranus. This planet is 4 times bigger than the Earth, but is barely visible from the Earth's surface. It has 27 natural satellites. It rotates on its axis nearly at the level of its orbital plane. It takes almost 84 years to go around the sun. Now the last one is Neptune. It has 13 moons or natural satellites of different sizes. It takes 164.8 years to go around the sun. Uranus and Neptune are together classified as ice giants. So, this much for today, okay? So, this ends the chapter. Please do exercises 1, 2 and 3. And please go through the video which I'll be putting it up, okay? If you don't understand anything, you can always WhatsApp me and ask me, okay? So, bye-bye.